Hello everyone, this is Teziba from the Disconnect support team. I am here to give you a brief walkthrough of how you can connect your Discogs marketplace with your SquareUp POS point of sale to sync your products, orders, and manage inventory on both platforms automatically. So first, when you sign up, you will get an onboarding option where you can connect your Discogs account first. Also, please make sure that your Discogs account is active and you are already logged in on it. After that, you can click on this button. After clicking on this button, you will get redirected to the authorized section of Discogs. Here, you have to click on the authorize button. Once you click on the authorize button, the Discogs will be automatically connected with our panel Disconnect. Now, you will get the option of select another platform that you want to connect. So as you are going to connect SquareUp and add your SquareUp access token. To know how to get the access token, you can click on this tooltip. It will redirect you to a guide where you will be able to see how you can get your SquareUp access token to add under Disconnect. So as I'm pasting this token now, and you have to click on this and copy it, and you have to add this webhook endpoint to your SquareUp. For that also you can check the guide. Now click on authenticate SquareUp. Once you click it, it will now connect it, as you can see, and you will get the success message. Now you will get two options on which direction you want to sync your products. Let's start from syncing the products from Discogs to SquareUp. Here you have to select one default SquareUp location on which the Discogs products are going to get created. So choose a default location and click on start the sync. Once you click on it, it will be complete the setup. Once you start the sync, the setup will be completed. Connect, as you can see in our Disconnect panel, the for sale items is getting fetched here, and now all the product details can be seen here. After 15 to 20 minutes, it will start syncing to your connected platform, that is SquareUp. But if you want to make changes, then you can go to the channel settings and click on SquareUp. Here you will notice the button will be turned on for the create new product on SquareUp. If you want to make more changes, you can just turn it off and save. After that, you can go to the mappings and click on Square POS mapping. Mapping section will help you to decide how you want your products to get synced to the SquareUp. In the first, you will see field mapping. Now, Disconnect gives you an option to customize various fields dynamically on your SquareUp POS for all your products. As a seller, you can completely automate how your product data of your Discogs are mapped to your Square POS. We also give an option where you can individually customize your product details. You can click on any product and it will open a page like this. Here you can customize it individually also, or you can do a similar one for all the products. This will be your default one. You will find various data fields of Discogs at the bottom. These are dynamic shortcodes that can be used to map your Discogs data to your SquareUp fields. You can map multiple Discogs shortcodes, that is data fields, to a single field of SquareUp. You can just copy these Discogs shortcodes by clicking on them and paste it in their respective SquareUp fields as per your requirement. The other option we provide is the category mapping. Here we can dynamically map one category of Discogs with the SquareUp category so that it will help you to arrange your products without any confusion. Here you will get an option of add mapping rule. You can select a genre, style, format, and select a category. So whatever rule created here will go to this category. This is how it works. After completing all the mappings, you can again go to the channel settings and click on SquareUp and turn on the create products on SquareUp and click on save. After a few minutes, all your Discogs products of for sale status will start syncing to your SquareUp. We also give an option to sync draft listing. If you want your Discogs draft listing to SquareUp, then you can turn on this button. So both will work. Now, if you want to sync your products from SquareUp to your Discogs marketplace, then what you have to do is you have to come to the channel settings, click on the SquareUp slab, and here you have to turn on the import products from SquareUp button. After turning on this button, you will get an option to select categories. Whatever category is selected here will be fetched from SquareUp to disconnect, and then we will sync it to Discogs. Here you have to select the field on which you are going to add the release IDs. Please remember, to create any product in Discogs, release IDs is mandatory. So in your SquareUp product details, you can add the release ID either in SKU, or you can create one custom field and add the IDs there. After that, you have to select the field here which have the release IDs and select those categories on which the products are there and on which the release IDs are there, and click on save. Once you are done with the setup, you have to go to Discogs lab, and here you have to click on the create new products on Discogs button. Once you click on it, you will get an option to add the default media condition, default sleep condition. An item will be created with these default conditions under Discogs. You can add default comments too and use these shortcodes for your help. And we also give an option to apply repricing. You can increase or decrease the price by percentage and amount and send it to your Discogs marketplace. And here the most important, we are giving an option to select a default status. For example, if you want to sync from SquareUp to Discogs with a draft status, then you can select draft or for sale and click on save. After doing all the setup, your SquareUp products will start syncing to Discogs. So this is how it works. Please let us know if you have any questions. Thank you.